Hey, Gadget Guru fam. If you're planning to buy an iPhone in 2024, this guide is for you. Today, we're looking at the top 3 iPhones you should avoid this year and what you should buy instead. Ready to make a smart choice? Let's dive in. First up, the iPhone 11. While it was a great phone when it launched, it's starting to show its age. With an older A13 Bionic chip and no 5G support, it's not the best choice in 2024. Battery life is also starting to degrade, averaging around 8 to 9 hours of heavy use. Instead, for around the same price, consider the iPhone 12. It has a faster A14 Bionic chip, 5G support, and improved battery life. Next, the iPhone SE 2020. Although it offers great value with the A13 Bionic chip, its outdated design and small battery make it less appealing in 2024. The battery life is around 7 to 8 hours of heavy use. Instead, check out the iPhone 13 mini. It offers a compact form factor with a more powerful A15 Bionic chip, better cameras, and longer battery life. Lastly, the iPhone 12 mini. Despite its compact size and decent performance, its battery life is a major drawback, averaging around 6 to 7 hours of heavy use. For a better experience, consider the iPhone 13. It offers a similar form factor, but with the A15 Bionic chip and significantly improved battery life. So, if you're looking to buy an iPhone in 2024, avoid the iPhone 11, SE, 2020, and 12 mini. Instead, consider the iPhone 12, 13 mini, or 13 for a much better experience. And for those who want a future-proof phone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is your best bet. It has the latest A16 Bionic chip, amazing cameras, and a battery that lasts up to 12 to 14 hours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. See you next time on Gadget Guru.